Hurricanes by Louis Horn. What is a hurricane? A hurricane is a tropical storm with winds at least 74 miles per hour, and they can go up to 155 miles per hour. Winds goes in a spiral that centre called the eye. When it reaches land, you get high winds, lots of rain and storm surges. Why do we get hurricanes? Air around the ocean is warmed up. It reaches low pressure. It rises low pressure. Winds forms. Air goes from low to high pressure. In our country, do we get hurricanes in the UK? Well, we get lots of wind. We always get rain. Sometimes we are lucky to see a little bit of sunshine. Hurricanes, not really. Some famous ones are on the screen. I've left best till last. Boom! Louis Hurricane. Louis Hurricane happened in 1985. It was an extremely destructive hurricane. Winds reached 140 miles per hour. Oh, you like this bit, Daddy. What shall I do during a hurricane? Stay indoors, board up your windows, get food and bring everything inside. You may get told to leave your house if the winds turn into a hurricane, or stay at home and party on. What do I do after a hurricane? Stay in a safe place. Only go home when it's okay. Stay away from water. Stay away from power lines. Don't drive unless you have to. I'm going to show you some cool pictures. Here's a hurricane. What's blowing trees around. You need to make this a bit faster, this bit. Daddy. That guy who's parked in the most ridiculous place ever. Him in his car is going to get washed away. That might be Hurricane Louis. Blowing off a bus over here. That's a hurricane what's blowing pants, bits and bobs around. Daddy, can we get a bit of George's pants and just... Those are taxis in New York after a hurricane flooding. That's a satellite picture of a hurricane. The end. Why does it always end? The end. Thank you for listening. There. Can I see?